Welcome to Cooking with CJ on both cameras, and this one up here. Welcome to Cooking with CJ. Today we got your favorite cook in the house, Kirby. He's gonna take over my channel and teach Josh how to make some proper ribs on the Weber kettle. Stay tuned.
Alright, so basically we're gonna just take our ribs out of this package. We're gonna be doing backyard ribs. We're not doing competition ribs or anything like that. You want as much meat as you can so that way you have enough food to feed everybody. Alright, so we're gonna be taking off the silverback skin. Basically right here. These are already trimmed so that way it kind of exposed it. So basically do is just to get it a better grip, just get some napkins and just peel it off.
You don't want that on there.
You don't want that on there. Because once the reason why I take it off is because it doesn't, you can't get it tender. It's just like snappy when you bite into it. So yeah, that allows you to actually get your ribs, you know, better bite instead of having this little snappy stuff. It's really tough and nasty. Already trimmed this off. Usually, like if you got spare ribs, if you had spare ribs, you would have a little flap right here. You basically would just cut that off. They already did that. They just didn't take off the silver skin.
But these are St. Louis.
These are St. Louis style. Here, St. Louis styles are just cut from a spare rib. You know, like there would be just like a big block and it would come down. So basically all they did is they just trimmed the longer bones. You still have the back portion right here a little bit. Not as much because basically it's part of the back of the pig.
Right.
So yeah, that would be right here. So yeah, so they already trimmed it. So this next portion is basically we're gonna be doing is marinating the ribs. You can use whatever barbecue rub you want. I usually make mine at home. So I got my California barbecue rub here, handcrafted by me, which this bottle right here is for CJ.
Oh, we got your own bottle.
Look at that.
CJ got his own bottle. Look at that.
Sealed in everything. Look at that.
Sealed and everything.
So this is homemade by Chef Kirby?
Homemade by Chef
Damn.
Kirby.
Do you want to mention that you have an audience?
I have an audience. Hi, audience.
If you guys are watching this, there's a bunch of people in the background that you don't see. I'm learning. I'm actually
Okay.
I'm terrible at ribs. So Kirby's showing me what's up.
There's different ways you could do this part. Okay, you can actually, me personally, I just take the rub and sprinkle it on there and I let that sit. What you can do is you can put a binder. Some people use olive oil, some people, normally it would be mustard, which would be the binder. What that allows, it allows it to add that bark. Not a big fan of mustard, so we can do, if you guys like that style of ribs, I can definitely, you know, do one of these that way. But my way of doing it, I just do straight rub to meat. That's how I learned Texas style barbecue. That's basically how I learned how to do my ribs. It's just Texas style barbecue. I studied that for many years. So you just basically just give it a nice coating of your rub. You want the color of your rub to be the color on the meat on your ribs.
All right.
Is that even recording? Yeah, it is.
We're professional around here.
It ain't the first time that I've actually started doing something and things weren't recording.
Now, do you put less rub on back with the back of the bone?
Just on the non-meat part.
Yeah.
Just yeah, just get it just nice in there.
Is it okay that I ask questions?
That's okay.
So the one that we ripped off, did we rip off enough?
Yeah, it's just a small line. Yeah.
That wasn't very much.
No, it's not. But
oh, okay.
But this is like really.
You don't need that.
Yeah, this is like when you cook it and you bite into it, this is gonna be real tough.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a really hard like skin,
Gotcha.
so it's not too tasty on the ribs.
Gotcha.
All right, so this next portion, that's gonna be you, buddy.
Gonna fit your hands.
Actually, here,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, get that. That's everything.
Doing good. Josh is on his first rib.
How are you feeling, Josh?
Woo!
You think you got it, Josh?
Hold on. Why are you cutting?
Come right here. You wanna?
Because we want to get this membrane off.
There you go.
Yeah, see, like these are trimmed actually pretty good. So here, all right, well, where you're at right now? Well, you don't want, yeah, you don't want to use a knife. Here, okay, you're good. Watch. Now go grab your napkin.
Napkin.
Yeah, napkin's gonna be able to allow you to pull it because it's gonna be a little slippery. Sometimes that breaks and you're gonna just have to keep fighting with it. Just
Come on, you can do it, Josh.
You can do it.
there you go. Just keep going. Here, just work your way down.
So this right here, we're keeping this on, or is this all coming
That's
off?
all.
Yeah, everything from right here, this little lip right here, this
Yeah.
little thing. All
See,
the
I
way
feel
down
like
that
with a
way.
knife I can get a little bit.
Yeah. Watch here. Here, just. Okay, let's watch. Like what I do with the knife is I just like poke in. Like, see, these are trimmed good.
Yeah.
Sometimes when you buy like the spare ribs, it's not trimmed good, so you got to do it all from scratch. So since these are trimmed good,
These are pulled together
yeah.
pretty well.
Here, now you just use the napkin, grab a hold of it, and just start pulling it back. There you go. Yeah, when they're not trimmed good, that's when they start having problems. But
Look
you-
at you.
There you go, like a pro, dude.
Grows up and he grows up. You can use more than one paper towel. We don't have a shortage.
All right, so how do you want to do it? Do you want to put a binder? A binder is basically just gonna help create that bark, or you can just put the rub like I did.
There's Worcestershire up there if you want to use that.
Ooh.
No one likes mustard.
No. Up to you.
You want to do Worcestershire? What Worcestershire?
Up to you. Hey, these are your ribs.
Worcestershire.
Or just do like CJ and make like a hoisin sauce
Oh yeah.
rib. Alright, so go ahead and flip your rib around.
You want on the other side?
Other side, yeah. I spend more focus on the top
On the meatier
part.
side?
Yeah. There you go. Just go ahead and give that.
Gonna do the sesame oil on the third one.
Okay. Alright, go ahead and put your rub on there now.
Josh, how do you feel about doing this?
If these turn out good, I'm gonna take credit. If they turn out bad, Kirby's gonna take credit. This is a special.
You're doing good.
This is a special Kirby rub right here.
Yes, sir. Handcrafted
Handcrafted.
California barbecue rub.
Layers of flavor.
Layers of flavor. Exactly. You want to make sure you want to put a nice crust on there.
What do you think?
Go ahead and pat it down. Yeah, we'll add a little bit more. A little bit on this end right here. That one needs a little love right there. All right, now go ahead and pat it down. You can rub it or you can pat it down.
But we want to pat it.
See, YouTube barbecuers, they tell you pat it.
Yeah.
I didn't learn how to do ribs from YouTube barbecuers. All right, so I'm gonna give it a flip. Add a little bit more. There, since your hands are dirty, I'll bless you with a little bit of a Worcestershire sauce.
Why don't you grab that also? You got the clean hands.
All right, I got it.
This is team effort right here.
This is team effort right here.
I don't want to say it, but I think he's getting a little turned on. He's rubbing that meat and them bones.
Yeah.
Oh,
Bonk, bonk.
All right.
So focus on one. How I marinate is I just focus on one side as I go up, because that way I can see the granulates, like the like how thick. That's how I.
And this is a Kirby secret rub.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is my special rub that I make.
His California barbecue.
By the time this video is over, you're going to be able to cook ribs on a Weber kettle.
Oh yeah.
Do you think I'll be able to fit this on the Smoky Joe?
Maybe one rack cut in half.
Yeah, maybe one rack cut in half.
Yeah.
Smoky Joe's pretty small.
It's a little tiny.
You
don't got the Jumbo Joe, do you?
No, I got the Smoky Joe. There's no indirect heat on the Smoky Joe. It's just hot.
It's just hot.
Not all the time. Babe and I did cook a tri-tip on the Smoky Joe at one point.
And it turned out well.
Turned out well. Yeah.
Yeah, it's fantastic.
But okay.
All right, so
Throw it
we're
on that one.
gonna keep that one right here because it's got the Worcestershire sauce.
Okay.